one can express his or her feelings. Today is the birth anniversary of Jean Gorgeous Navarrete, who is the creator of International Ballet. The intention of International Dance Day is to celebrate dance, revel in the university of this art form to bring people together through the common language, dance. Let's see some famous international dance forms. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ishi Verma and I am going to say about belly dance. Belly dance is also known as education dance. It's an expressionist type of dance that is originated from Italy. It emphasizes the complex movements of torso. Thank you.
My name is Ishita Verma and I will talk about Samba dance. Samba is a lively rhythmical dance of Afro-Brazilian origin of Samba music, whose origins include Mexican Samba and was created by African people from dance and music culture they brought from Africa. Thank you.
I am Anavi Moide, going to say about Kabuki dance. Kabuki is a Japanese dance drama style that is extremely popular in Japanese population. The history of Kabuki is began in 1630 when it was first performed in riverbeds of Kyoto. The elaborate makeup of performance of Kabuki is noteworthy.
I, Lavanya Rathod of class 6, am going to say about flamenco dance. Flamenco dance is a globally famous dance form that is originated in Spain. Flamenco is a closely linked to the Romani people in Spain, and its style is distinctly Andalusian. The art form is currently taught in many countries worldwide, but is most popular in the US and Japan. In the latter country, flamenco schools outnumber those in Spain. Thank you.
Good morning all of you. I am Tanisha Raghuvanshi. Today I am going to tell you about the Bhangra dance. The Bhangra is a dance form that originated in the Punjab region of India and is associated with fun and flamboyance. Bhangra is performed across India on many social occasions like marriage ceremonies, cultural programs, etc. It is also used in Bollywood films produced in the country. The easy and jovial style of the dance form has earned it many followers in other parts of the world, where it has been introduced by the Punjabi diaspora. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all. Hope you all are fine and safe. I am Divya Miri. I would like to share about ballet dance. Ballet is a form of dance which was originated in Russia and France during Renaissance. Male and female both can practice this form of dance. Ballet is a street hierarchy and strict gender roles. Ballet dancers are at a high risk of injury due to the demanding technique of ballet. Thank you.
My name is Ishita Arora and I study in class 9th A. Today I will say about Indian classical dance. India's most popular dance form is Indian classical dance form, and it is of 8 types. Indian classical dance or Shastriya Divas is an umbrella term for various performances. Art rooted in the religious Hindu musical theatre styles whose theory can be practical can be traced to Sanskrit text Natya Shastra. Thank you.
I am Anuswar Patel is going to say about Bollywood dance. Bollywood dance is a dance form that is heavily used in Indian Bollywood films. Numerous styles are used in executing this dance form. Indian classical dance styles like Kathak, Indian folk, belly dancing, jazz, western popular and more. Due to its wide range of styles are easy of dancing. Bollywood music has gained wide acceptability in many other parts of the world. Thank you.
I am Gurvan Singh Bagga will say about breakdancing. Breakdancing is an athletic style of dance or street dance from the United States. While diverse in the amount of variation available in dance, breakdancing mainly consists of 4 types of movements: topic downward, power moves, and freezes.
Question I'm going to say about tango dance. Tango is a partner dance and social that was originated in Argentina. Tango spread to the rest of the world and many variations of this dance currently exist around the world. It is an energetic dance form of two people on the music for this dance. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Jatin Meena will say about salsa dance. Salsa is a Latin dance associated with the music and it was originated in the New York City. Salsa is an amalgamation of Cuban dances that were popular in the ballrooms and nightclubs of Havana by the end of the 1950s, as well as American jazz dances.
Morning everyone. On the International Dance Day, all of you came to know how many dance forms are there all over world. And now it's your time to choose your dance form and start work on it. Stay home, stay fit and learn through enjoyment. I wish you a very happy International Dance Day, all of you. Thank you.